Casa Bonita! Casa Bonita! Alright guys, we're about to take a tour of Casa Bonita with special guest Roberto. So enjoy.
Go?
I would say find a cozy spot, but there's really not much out here anymore.
Oh, I
Sorry.
know, yeah, I think they just want to do.
Donkey.
I'm in donkey.
Oh my god, I know that actor as well. Who is that? He's like a villain.
So this is how the inside looks like. It's a little dark, but it's fun. And then according to our research, the creators of Southpark bought this Mexican restaurant and then they renovated it. It is now known as the Disneyland of Mexican restaurant. One of the most famous attractions in Casa Bonita are their cliff divers. So take a look at this. Scary. Scary.
Very scary.
Oh, it is kind of low. I don't remember.
Spiders.
They really make a big deal about it.
Yeah, they're moving in there. Oh god, no, please. Oh my gosh.
Is it scary?
There's the spiders.
Terrified. I heard spiders.
Some big Colorado spiders.
And also, be careful, you might get hurt.
I totally got you. Tell it, Mom.
I like how they're like the Southpark voices.
The bottomless pit. Careful.
Yeah. It doesn't end.
Oh, it's a bridge.
Go! Give me spot. Scorpions.
Aliens from planet Vulcan are going to get you! Aliens from planet Vulcan are going to get you!
Almost. Yeah, I think that's a Southpark.
Oh, no, it's a Southpark voice.
Aliens from planet Vulcan are going to get you. Aliens from planet Vulcan are going to get you.
This is the treasure.
More danger ahead. Oh.
Aliens from planet Vulcan are going to get you.
We're done for. There he is! He's right there!
Oh no.
Now you're done for.
Oh my goodness. It's the only way out.
I saw him.
Only way out. Ignore the exit.
Oh, we made it.
I've been doing this for the last 10 years, and I gotta tell you, I'm amazing at it. Check this out. Dang, man, that was a dud. Oh. I should retire. Wait. That sure was a dud. I'm retired. Gotta find out how much love you got, Lianne.
That's true.
So do I just like
I think you press the button, then you yep.
press the button
Yep, then
first?
Hold this.
and then pull the trigger. You can keep holding it.
You gotta keep holding it.
Oh, keep holding.
Yeah, you have to keep holding it. So you can try again.
Try
You
again.
can try again because that one doesn't count.
Okay.
Alright, but grab tight. You gotta grab tight.
Yeah.
Straight love. Oh, you so sweet. That's you. Alright, that's your card.
And then you get to see what your fortune is.
Love is finding someone who secretly eats all the cookies but still saves the last one for you. Oh.
Love you got, Cody.
I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Oh, you're clammy. I'm clammy. Oh man.
Dude, what's your fortune?
Love is like a song stuck in your head. It can be annoying, but you can't help but hum along.
Bad news!
Game room. Root beer.
What can I say? I'm the quickest shot in the West. Almost 1,000 points.
We highly recommend you guys to visit this place. According to Robbie, it takes like a year or months to have a reservation. So big thank you to Robbie for making this trip possible. Woohoo! Gracias!